I'm Dionne and today we'll be showing you how to make a sausage egg McMuffin. So, you're going to need toasted muffins, pork and herb sausage patties, which you can get from Tesco's in the freezer area, some eggs and some slices of cheese. There's two really important things you need to remember. You really do need an adult and you must wash your hands. So you need to toast the muffins, cook the sausage, fry the egg and unpack the cheese. So what you're going to need is a frying pan and a ring and some oil, any oil. So basically this is how you're going to make like the shape of McDonald's eggs. So you put the ring inside the frying pan and spray a little bit of oil in there just to heat it up. And then you get an egg and you just crack it in there. So just basically like that, and then it's done. So we're going to show you how you assemble it. So first of all, you got your muffins, then you put your cheese on top. Just imagine this as an egg. Then you put the sausage. Then you put the last bit of muffin. And now I need a grown-up to help me make this. So we're going to show you what it looks like inside, and this is what it looks like. Ooh. So, oops. What it looks like, it looks really tasty. So now I'm going to have a bite. Delish. I hope you like this video. Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe.